Good morning and Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? Hope you all are fine. Students, take out your SST book page number 39. Students, yesterday I have explained you the chapter transport, and today we will do its 3 question answers and we will write it very neatly on SST notebooks. So look at question number 1. What does a tanker carry? A tanker carries oil and fuel such as petrol and diesel. This is a picture of an oil tanker. Question number 2. What is a ferry used for? Look at this picture. This is a picture of a ferry. So a ferry carries people and goods from one bank of a river to the other bank. Question number 3. Which is the fastest way of traveling? So students, as you can see, the traveling by air is the fastest way to travel. And aeroplanes can fly over the sea and high mountains, and they can transport hundreds of people over long distances in the short period of time. Students, do these 3 question answers very neatly on your SST book notebooks and also learn these questions. Students, now open book page number 40, part B. Which can go the fastest? Put these in order. So we will arrange them in order according to their fast speed. So car, bicycle, bus, scooter, bullock cart and tonga. So we will arrange them here according to their speed. So number 1, car, bus, scooter, bicycle, tonga and bullock cart. Here are some road safety situations. Put a tick against those which you think are safe and put a cross against those which are not. Number 1. Crossing the road from behind a vehicle. False. Students, because when we want to cross the road behind a vehicle, it can be a serious accident. So it's very dangerous. So don't cross the road from behind a vehicle. Walking on the footpath. True, because it's a very safe place to walk and you can see the footpath along the road. Number 3, crossing the road in a hurry. False. We should not cross the road in a hurry. We should follow the rules to cross by when we are crossing the road. First we should look right, then left, and then again we should look right, and if there is no traffic coming, then we should cross the road. Number 4, getting on the moving bus. No, it's also false. Number 5, playing on or near a road. It's also false, because when we will play on or near a road and there could be any accident happen to us. So we should not play on or near a road. It's not a safe place. You should cross the road at a zebra crossing. Do you know what it looks like? Draw and color 1 in the space below. Here you will draw how a zebra crossing look like. Okay, so here you will draw zebra crossing. Students, also do this exercise, book exercise of page number 40, and also learn it. Take care. Allah Hafiz.